Why don't you deserve the Miss International Queen Philippines crown tonight? Once again, why don't you deserve the Miss International Queen Philippines crown tonight? Your 45 seconds begins now.
If there's one reason why I don't deserve the Miss International Queen Philippines crown, it's just because I know that I am not able to compete in Pattaya, Thailand. It's just because I want to give the chance to others, especially for the young generation, just like the candidate number 48. She's now trying to build her dreams. If I'll be given a chance to give chance for her to build her dreams, I will lend my hands, because you'll never go wrong by making or building a dreams that it can benefit to others. Thank you so much.
That was candidate number 13, Ann Patricia.